I don't know what happened to my camera for a minute, but it quit. Unlock the door. CP-140, I think, coming. But we have a train here at Lyons. Yummy ice cream. I gotta watch out, there's a car. Let me guess, he's gonna be only like an eighth of a mile. Oh. And last time I was here, there was a train blocking the road. He's not going fast at all. Is he moving fast or no? Let me guess, he is gonna break down right here again. Because he doesn't look like he's speeding up any faster. Well, folks, if you want to know how fast he's going, I think he's only doing about 10. You think he's only doing about 10? Papa. Oh no! Now it looks like it's gonna stop. And I have to get home pretty soon. This might be a big problem. Oh no! Oh no! Walldale, good luck filming this again. Oh no! You're wrong, Papa. He is gonna end up stopping. It looks like, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it too? Papa. That he's gonna end up breaking down right here. He had little reds down there. Don't know why the light's yellow and green here. Is he going slower? Papa!
A little bit.
Oh, shoot. Come on, train, do it! Block this road so we don't ever get home! There's an engine. There's an engine in the middle, shoot! Are these jitters loud, Papa?
Not too loud.
Were they loud when he was blocking the road? Let me guess, he's gonna do it again. He is down to 7 right now. Oh boy. I hope this train does it. Is he going slower and slower? Isn't he? What? Or is he speeding up a little bit more? Is he or no? Is he or no, Bubba? Well, that could be why. Look at that strap. Is there gonna be a lot of cars at M52 Bubba?
Here.
Oh boy. I hope he blocks Guy or he's...
Stand still.
And this is soft where I'm at. And now we have one from Carlton now. As of scanner. Any more coming? Yep. Man, what did that guy do?
Being a smart ass.
What?
Being a smart ass.
If you heard him do that, that was something mean.